great pleasure to have the Prime Minister of Croatia here, my friend Ivo Sanader. We have discussed about the first time the membership of Croatia in the European Parliament, strongly in favor of the membership of Croatia in the European Union. Of course, we have still to ratify the Lisbon Treaty. Hopefully everything goes smoothly and in a parallel process. There are unfortunately problems with Slovenia. We really hope that these problems we can overcome these problems. They should not be an obstacle to the membership of Croatia to the European Union. And we as European Parliament and myself support strongly that we have the development that new chapters can be opened so that we can continue with the negotiations. And once again, I think Prime Minister Ivo Sanader, whom I know since many, many years, is not only as a Prime Minister of Croatia, the personality I know as President of Parliament, but we have many years of cooperation and friendship, so I have great trust and confidence in Prime Minister Sanader.
Thank you very much, Mr. President Pöttering. I have a great pleasure to discuss with you the current situation, current state of play in our negotiations with the European Union. Thank you very much for your continued support for my country to become 28th member of the European Union. As you know, the Commission came up with a new progress report in November last year, 2 months ago, with a strong signal that Croatia could finish the negotiations till the end of 2009. We are working on that, and I ordered to my government, all members of cabinet to work strongly and committed to this goal to finish the negotiation this year. Unfortunately, Slovenian published on 11 chapters came up in December. We hope that we can overcome, as President said, these problems, because it's a bilateral issue which should not interfere with the European agenda. It's understanding that we want to resolve it in a friendly manner. Slovenia and Croatia are two friends. We are closest neighbors and friendliest neighbors in the south of Europe. So I would like to stress here once again, Croatia and Slovenia should not be judged borderline. It should be legally resolved, as we agreed 1.5 years ago on Red Lake before the International Court of Justice. We would like to have these proceedings continue and to finish this open issue, which derives from the breaking up of Yugoslavia in 1991. I have to stress that Slovenia entered the European Union with the same open issue in 2004, and Croatia fully supported the membership of Slovenia in the European Union.
President, do you agree with the Prime Minister Ivo Sanader that the solution should be a political one and not a political one that
the next solution will be a political solution that has a strong legal basis. So we need a solution, and I understand the Prime Minister that a legal solution is, of course, from his point of view, the best one. This is in principle always the case that the law should be applied, but if it's not accepted from both sides, my advice is to go on with political discussions, and if the legal situation as we see it would be then the result of those political discussions, I think this would be the best solution.
Would you make the European Commission proposal to use Ahtisaari as a medium to support Serbia?
I fully agree with President's statement now. I think this is a good start to discuss politically how to come to a